If your Samsung TV is troubling you, one of the last resorts would be to reset it to factory defaults. I'm Priyank, you're watching Candid.Technology, and here we're going to help you reset your Samsung Smart TV. To reset your Samsung Smart TV, press the home button on your remote, then head to the left of this menu that appears to Settings, click on it, and then head down to General over here. Click on the right navigation button, then head down to the bottom, and then you'll click on Reset, which will reset your TV to the factory defaults. Over here, you'll have to enter the pin of your TV. If you've changed it, then enter that pin, or otherwise the default pin is 0000. Once you have entered it, you can reset your Samsung Smart TV to the factory defaults. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a comment down below telling us what else can we help you with. If you'd like to read more about tech, head to our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.